majestic Dragon City, Gaozu Hometown, Jiangsu Peizhou. In this vibrant, energetic city, where long history and modern civilization merged with each other, Jiangsu Longgong Vacuum Technology Company Limited resolutely rise, relying on the geographical advantage of cross-linked connections, as well as the industry-leading technological strengths, with a thundering innovation and development to write a new legend in electrical equipment manufacturing industry, becoming the first supplier reaching R&D and production the complete high-end electrical equipment at home and abroad. Cultivation. In 2009, the company chairman, Mr. Gong Jianhua, founded Suzhou Longgong Vacuum Technology Company Limited. Facing the new opportunities of development, planned the structure and layout, aspire after greatness. In 2017, Jiangsu Longgong Vacuum Technology Company Limited was established. Adhere to the high starting point planning, high standards of management, high-quality production, became the influential and competitive high-end electrical equipment manufacturer and one-stop equipment service provider. Win the attention of the industry. Jiangsu Longgong Vacuum Technology Company Limited specializes in the production of epoxy resin dynamic vacuum and pressure casting equipment, epoxy resin static vacuum pressure casting equipment, amorphous alloy transformer vacuum oil filling equipment, vacuum drying equipment, kerosene vapor phase drying equipment, vacuum pressure impregnation equipment, curing oven, foil winding machine, horizontal winding machine, silicon steel sheet cutting line, silicon steel slitting line, dry type transformer mold, and other electrical equipment. The company has a modern professional manufacturing plant, more than 10,000 square meters, with more than 150 staff. There are 55 senior engineering and technical personnel ensuring strong R&D and design ability. The key staff have more than 20 years experience in electrical equipment industry. Leaping. Upholding the development concept of technology achieving quality and quality achieving brand, the company have equipped several sets of international advanced production and testing equipment, had more than 10 national patents, passed ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System certificate, rigorous testing in order to sophisticated product quality. Longgong's products have the advantages of novel design, reliable quality, simple operation, reasonable structure, and others to fully meet the requirements of modern power equipment construction, won the praise of industry experts and wide customers. Longgong has become designated supplier for major power equipment companies and related agencies. We worked successively with the Xi'an Aerospace Engine Factory, China Aviation Aircraft Company Limited, ABB, Siemens, Schneider Electric, Jiangsu Huapeng, Wulong Electric, Zhenjiang Electric, Shanghai Next EV, Shanghai Jingjing Electric, Jiangsu Huaqian, Jiangsu Julie, Lute Electric, Shandong Luneng Chaoyue, Shanghai Zhongbian, etc. Hundreds of customers and reached strategic cooperation. In the meantime, exports dozens of countries such as Pakistan, South Korea, Ukraine, Bangladesh, Thailand, Vietnam, Uganda, Mexico, Peru, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, and Kazakhstan to make a significant contribution to the global electricity transmission and distribution business. Describing. Employees are the source power of enterprise development. Longgong has set up a policy of employing knowledge, utilization, and goodwill, penetrating the management concept of communication, execution, and motivation throughout the whole process of enterprise development. Constantly improve the staff echelon, form a composite team, so as to promote the technological progress. Majestic base, wings to the dream. In the future, Jiangsu Longgong Vacuum Technology Company Limited will continue to increase technical input, develop the industry chain, improve product quality, enhance service awareness, and always on the same pace of time development. Forge ahead and strive to create first-class brand in the industry. Jiangsu Longgong Vacuum Technology Company Limited wishes to go hand in hand with you for an excellent future.